This one here is an AutoCAD of my building. So say I want to add a room down in the bottom part down here. There's a couple things, a couple of icons you can use. One is F7, which is grid mode. So if you push F7 on and off, it'll turn the grid on and off. Sometimes that's very useful. And also grid snap, which is F9. Sometimes that works. So you can, when you go draw a line or a rectangle or a wall, it'll snap it to wherever the grid line is. So it'll snap it to either of these kind of grid lines. So that's good to have. Another one really good to have is also this one right here, which is F3, which is snap. So anytime you go to draw, it'll actually snap to either an intersection of a line, like this one here, or it'll snap to the middle of a circle or the midline of a line. That comes in real helpful when you're trying to add things together or a wall to another existing wall. So those are three things that are real helpful. So we'll go and we'll draw a square, which is my room. And because I have O snap on, you see how it kind of snaps right to different points of the wall. So I want to do it there, it'll snap there. I click that. Now it'll come up and ask me if I want dimension, area, rotation. If I click dimension, it'll ask me for the dimension, the length and width of the room. I'm going to do 600 by 600. And it ended up drawing it. So if I cruise out, there's my room, 600 by 600. And now I'll do offset. Offset is this little thing here, or I think you can just push O or type offset. If you click that, it asks you to specify the offset distance. Mine are 12-foot walls. Keep the sound out. So there's 12. If I type in enter, it asks me to select the object. So you just left mouse click that room. I just left click mouse the room there. It turns blue. And then it says what side do you want to offset the walls. So either on the inside or the outside by 1 foot. I measured the inside of the walls. So I want the 12 feet to be in the actual outside of the wall. So if I click that, boom, there's your walls. So now if you zoom in, you see that the walls are 12 inches wide. And this outside dimension will be 50 feet. And the inside will be 49 feet. Or 2 times 49, so it'll be 48 feet. Maybe the inside. So you can do a dimension, which is this one up here, dimension. And since you have O snap on, it'll automatically snap to corners. So you can click that one, zoom down, click that bottom one, 48 feet. So you can quickly double check your dimensions and make sure they're same by using the dimension. And to do that, make sure you got the snap on, which is O snap, object snap, which is F3. So hope that helps.